Este es Mr. Señor. I'm going to show you how to form the future tense. The future tense is used to talk about, the future. In English, the future tense is when we talk about what will happen. For example, I will put this lesson on the Google Classroom. In English, to talk about the future, we use the word will in front of our verbs. So I'm going to show you how we do this in Spanish. It's super easy to form the future tense in Spanish. In fact, you're going to be upset with me that I didn't teach you this sooner. First thing that you do is you don't do anything to the verb. No, seriously, leave that verb alone. You don't need to touch the verb unless it's irregular. Then you slap on the proper ending depending on who did the action. So the yo form tú has, ella ha, nosotros hemos, and this one does not have an accent on it. All these other ones do. Nosotros no acento. They han. In fact, you know what? Might as well just do this now because I was gonna show you in class. I was gonna do examples of this. So let me put a verb up here. Text box, go like this. I will talk to Mr. Senor. All right. So the verb is to talk, or to talk is hablar, right? So what you would say is yo. You leave the verb alone, and then you add your ending. Makes conjugation a lot easier. So this, leaving the verb alone and adding our ending here, we are saying I will talk to Mr. Senor. I could even sort of complicate this even more here and make this green to show you what corresponds to what. There we go. So there's an example for you. That way you can see my virtual students. I was going to do this in class, so I might as well just put the example on here. Irregular verbs. We're only going to see 2 this week. Hacer, you have to change it to ar, and then you add your ending, and that means will make or will do. Decir becomes dir, will say or will tell. These are the 2 that we're going to see this week. Next week, I'll give you the rest of them. The good news is, unlike the past tense, the future tense only has 9 irregular verbs. So that's like way less than what the other, the preterite tense and the other tenses had. If you have any questions, you can email me at gmakowski@nrwcs.org.